everybody. Celebrating the Walking Dead universe. We are so excited to be here, and we love you guys so much, and we can't thank you enough for your support and love that you guys have given us over the years. I mean, this is truly remarkable, and to celebrate this with you tonight is awesome. As I'm sure you know, both of our worlds, Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead, are going to collide. And, you might know this from Lenny James, aka Morgan, is leaving The Walking Dead and joining Fear the Walking Dead, and tonight you will find out exactly how that happens.
No, I think Josh just summed it up for me pretty great. I mean, thank you guys for coming out. Thank you for the support, the continued support that you show, the love that you give us all. We definitely can feel it. That's right. Neighborhood in the house, bounce. You gotta know what it's about. And I'm gonna pass it on to Miss Kim.
So excited that you're here. Thank you so much for coming out. You're gonna see the premiere of season 4 of Fear the Walking Dead right after their finale, and a lot of unanswered questions from the end of season 3, right? Well, we're going to answer some of them tonight, and then a lot more later on. So thanks for coming out.
I just want to tell you that Victor Strand loves you. And I can't wait for you to see these new people that we have joining our show, like Maggie Grace, Garrett Dillahunt, Jenna Elfman, and of course, Lenny James. So, we're so excited to be here. Thank you so much. We love you so much. Thanks for your support, especially on social media. You know I talk to you all the time, and I want to let you know that we're listening. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Agora, pra onde vai? Ok. Agora eu vou começar aqui o show. Não posso gravar, agora não posso mais gravar. Vejo vocês no final. Tchau.
Excuse me, guys.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys.
I'm gonna have them start here.
Yeah.
How you been?
Thanks.
All right.
And everybody right here for AMC, straight ahead. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Let's not second photo.
Hey, you'll look to your right, this way, please.
To your right, and we'll look to your right. Guys, I got back in this area, clear, please. What are you doing? Can I have you guys? 1, 2, 3. Guys, ready, straight, right up top, right up top. And we'll look this way now, right?
last shot, please. Right here. Can everybody right here pray and see, please? 1, 2, 3. Can we have one last shot? Please. And we're all looking forward to you guys. To you guys. And one light up top, guys. Over here. Someone look at me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Very clear. One time. Hold on. Thank you very much.